Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Man. Today I want to show you this case, HDMI to USB case. Many friends ask me why the Android screen don't have HDMI output. So this kit will help you to output the HDMI to other monitors in the car. This is the headrest monitor in the car. It has HDMI connector here. So now I want to introduce how to use this adapter to connect the BMW Android screen and connect to the headrest monitor. Okay, the first thing you need to connect this case. Alright, and connect to HDMI here. Okay, it have connected HDMI here. You need to install the these apps to the Android screen, and you can click here. And then you need to go to the headrest monitor and click the AV in here and choose the HDMI mode. Then will be okay. You can see it will show the main menu for the Android screen here. See? Everything is okay. Now we can play a video, for example. Everything is working now. Okay? Alright. Thank you very much.